Good morning. It's nice to see you here at the NCTA.
Good morning. It's good to see you too.
I'd like to talk for just a minute about the semi, if you don't mind.
Sure.
For folks who are watching who may not be aware of exactly what the semi is, could you just give a brief introduction?
Sure. The semi program was really an origination of the right time and the right place for designing solutions for our industry. You have to remember, energy management has been around for a long time. That in the aerospace industry and portable radio communications, mobile communications, energy has always been an issue. How do you manage it to sustain communications? Well, our time has come. Through intelligent design, we can manage the significantly increasing cost of energy, and there's a lot of solutions that are becoming available that are cost effective. So the time is right for our industry.
Okay, that's great to hear. Now, has the SCTE deployed or put some of the semi initiatives into place themselves?
Yeah, and one of the things we do, and we're very conscious about us being the applied scientists. In other words, the application of what we believe are the solutions through our intellectual property, through some of the things we do in standards, as you can see one of the references here, that if you look at how we've taken each solution, like the photovoltaic, the products in the fuel cell arena, we're applying them and in fact using those two solutions plus a number of what's called human factors, we've reduced our energy consumption as an example, as a model, like pretty close to 50%.
That's great. Now I know that as I think back to the first semi, I remember a conversation that you and I had where we talked about sustainability is great, but if it's not cost effective, if it doesn't generate ROI, who's going to buy it? And now, so are we at the point, you said earlier, there are cost-effective solutions. You think we're really at the point, or what would you tell an MSO who says, I don't believe there's an ROI here?
Yeah, I think you have to take a step back and look at how you're applying it, right? If you look at business services, if you look at sustainability, where you need services to be up and online, and the critical nature of some of our new customers, the price point is absolutely available today for these high performance new technologies. If you look at the price point of photovoltaic from a value proposition on the cost of energy today, in many markets it does. The payback is 3 to 5 years, sometimes 6, a little bit longer, but we're starting to see the economics be very, very attractive. When it comes to, as an example, like fuel cells, the application is wireless sites, wireless return paths, in areas where we need a high level of sustainability to make sure that services and the continuity is there, because we need it specifically under duress. When all other forms of communications are down, our wireless and cable network really needs to be sustained in a way that the internet, phone, everything we deliver today is a critical communications application. So the value proposition, I think, is becoming much more viable. And if you look at the business cases we do for each application to make sure we understand where are the financials today, and then not only that, but where are they going tomorrow? What are the advances in science? And say, here's a crossover point that actually makes it very, very attractive. 3 to 5 years out, let's start planning it so that in our planning we can incorporate the new technology.
So then the business case isn't just about the sustainability benefits, but there's also a reliability piece.
Yes. The reliability piece is important because our networks are not just an entertainment service like it used to be. It's really important. There's a lot of dependency by individuals on communicating with their individual personal community or business. So we've become a much more, let's call, focused, high reliability network, and especially in our business services, we're looking for market share. That reliability increase is significant, and I think we're taking very seriously. And we've actually set up our facility. In other words, we actually live what we propose. So our new business services, which we're deploying Comcast Business Services, has the photovoltaic, also has the fuel cells that are your product, which is working great. And in concert, it's really delivering the kind of performance that a tier 1 commercial service customer would look for. And it's delivering that.
Then just to conclude, and back to the semi, the Smart Energy Management Initiative, is there one nugget or piece of information that you would want someone to carry away from it? There's a lot of programs, there's a lot of committees to join. Yeah. What would you suggest to someone who's just looking into it?
I would say that let's use the theory that we're approaching this by design. In other words, let's design our future. Let's not let it happen. So we have a spectrum of areas because each individual has maybe potentially different needs, different problem to solve. So we're providing a portfolio of those solutions, but we want to take a preemptive strike about managing the success of our industry in a way that allows us to see what's available today, what's available tomorrow, but work with us and engage with us on problem solving. And that we want everybody to be part of the solution, and we want to be engaged with all those folks that bring the innovation and ideas that make sense for our industry.
Well, thank you, Mark. I appreciate your time, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Mark, thank you for your support.
Pleasure.
And great to see you also.
Thank you.